Yeah. So yeah, this is the thing. As of now, just we are skeleton part, just our card perspective we done. So okay, okay, we have inside the card header and we have some logo, right? So we'll see. uh, so this is card and header and logo. We'll try to manage this css now. So we have, what we have. So inside the card we have header element, header, and header. Inside that card we'll write logo. So this is, sorry, this is also in class, right? So now we'll write, so class. So will, how the flexible our content will be flexible. We'll write how we need to show the vertical horizontally, right? So then we can content will be, we can add the display flex, our logo. And will the logo itself we need to add align item center. Okay. So we have, so now, so the entire area you can see somewhat. So you just we need to add space between, we need to add. Okay. So when we are hovering on that, this is happening. But this our logo and chip we need to manage. Okay. We'll write that css also. So I will try to add for that one only. Next we'll have card with header, right? This class will add card with header. uh, we need to add justify content, space between will add. What is that? Yeah, space between. Space between we add. Then we have some logo also inside the card. We have card with logo. Logo class is there, and inside that we have image tag. That is an thing, right? If you observe, this is an card inside the logo class, logo inside the class. Our tag image tag. I am focusing on image now. So for the image, I will write some height I will add 40 pixel. Okay. So I will write 40 pixel. And margin right I will give. So the space will create margin right will give. I will move almost, I will give 10 pixel I will give. So now, so the text also will give. So after the logo, so we have some class also, right? So after the logo after the image, will have h5 also, the master card is there. So these also will write. Okay. Some space between that logo and text, card and h5 tag. This is h5 tag, right? So we'll give for this one in font size is somewhat 15 pixel. And that 15 pixel will give. And font weight will give somewhat randomly will give. Okay. So some 400 pixel I am giving. uh, so letter spacing, though whatever our letter spacing is there, just will give 0.3 pixel, or yeah, we'll see how much it is. So just when we are entire, our content is one coming under one card. Okay. So we'll try to add remaining things also. So till now we have up to H5 details. So next we'll focus on what we'll focus. Card details will focus. Till now we done, right? Up to till now CSS is done. So now we will focus on uh, card details. So now we'll try to add for card details CSS. So we'll manage this one also. Some font size will give 15 pixel, same. And justify content will give justify content, space between will give. So the better look and feel. So align item also will give. So actually this detail we need to add into the end, right? So we can add directly, and our flex end will add, and yeah, flex end will add, and some margin also will add. Margin top is 30 to between 40 pixel will give. Okay. So similarly, we need to focus what we have inside the card details. We have name, number, right? Name and number. So we'll manage this one and this one and this one. So trying to I'm adding for that one only now. So now first of all we'll focus card details. Inside the card details we have what? Name card, right? Name, name hyphen number, name. Otherwise directly go on here, just copy this class. If it is not matching, then it will not apply. Something is missing, then it's not work. So then I will give some font size here also. Font size will give 15 pixel, and so some letter spacing, font weight also will give. Okay. So we'll try to give this entire, then we'll see what is the, this is our detail entire, right? Name, this much is not needed, I think. So why? Because inside the name we have, what is the tag we have? H6, right? For H6 we'll write H6, and try to give this one as an 10 pixel. Mm, yeah, letter spacing also is, yeah, letter spacing not there. So letter spacing is 0.6 pixel will give. Okay. So font weight is there. Oh, just this is font weight. Font weight I will add the 400 pixel. 400. So just I'm adding randomly. Okay. So even though we are focusing on one by one, right? You directly nested CSS also we can write. So time being we are in HTML, right? So just we are focusing what class needs to targeting. This is I'm checking now. So next we'll try to add for name. We'll try to add inside the name, number, name, name, number, name. Okay. I will add this class name, number. Inside that we have name have. So some margin top will give some 35 pixel, and will give font size also. Font size somewhat same 15 pixel will give, and some font weight also will give. Font weight 400, and letter spacing, mm, letter spacing 0.3 pixel will give. Okay, just copy this one, and this is for name, right? One more, what we have? Name, number we have. Try to add for number also. Okay. This is not actually preferable way in real time. We can write a nested CSS actually. Okay. Try, just I am focusing the each elements, like which classes. So that's why so I'm trying to adding here. So we have, next we'll add name and everything is done. Then we have card with front side, right? We'll add the front side. So dot card, card, yeah, card with front side. So I'm adding for this CSS. Just I'm adding border some none. Mm, So if I
Jay,
this is an making border, we have making so many. So so backside will make, right. So yeah, I am making this is an card with backside. I will try to add border none for that. Why? Because I will show you backside, and we have to rotate, transform, translate y with the help of 180 degrees. Okay, that backside will rotate again the chord. So now we'll see some changes will happen. So this content, this is an this validity, this is an front side, right? Whatever a customer service, this is an back side. So thus that thing is done. So we actually front side is showing lastly, right? Like so some validity and name and that card entire digits. So we need to push into the card front side. Okay, I will focus next that one only. Okay, later once it's done, then when we are hover on this thing, that our credit card will be flipped. So I will show you that thing also. So how magic when we are hovering on that, just I will show you. So I will write for now card card details with some we have validity. So validity, so this class I'm focusing validity, and so validity with head, in validity we have h6, right? Code details, inside the code details we have validity. Some font size will give, some font size half will give, some 7 pixel I will give, and font weight I will give fonts, sorry, font weight, I will give 300 pixel, somewhat less. Letter spacing, I will give 0.5 pixel. Okay, so this is we are validity inside the this this is I completed. Now h5 also there. Okay, so mm, h5 or directly we can add this name also there, right? Name. So we'll try to add that one also. So dot backside card, like this also will write backside h6, 8 pixel, half of its 15, the 15 pixel. So now we need to manage our strip also. Okay, so we'll try to add that one card with what we have, some magnetic strip div also we have, right? So this is an back card with backside. This is a magnetic strip. I'm copying this class. So card with, so backside magnetic strip. I'm adding position property as absolute, and height, somewhat height I'm adding for the strip. 35 to 40 pixel give, will 35 averagely will giving. Width is 100%. So width is 100%, and some top will give 40, 32, 40 pixel will give, and left become, it will starts from the left, and background color randomly will give block color or 00, or directly you can write block. Okay, so say similarly we have what we have, this signature we have. Okay, signature also we need to focus now, css. So if you see ui, somewhat some head some we are seeing somewhat better, that block strip is coming right backside. So we'll see our signature and all these things on back strip, the block strip. Okay, so now I'm giving signature card back strip backside will give that what we have, that class signature, right? Just copy it and what, paste it. Then so we have margin top is 65 pixel. Okay, and and we have some height will add for this signature. So we'll have 40 pixel, and width will have some 80%, and so border radius we have some given, so 5 to 6 pixel, and we can add background also. We can add some background, we can directly also you can add. We'll see white will add. So display flex I'm adding, so our no need to wrap the content. So signature, whatever we are done signature, align items center I'm adding whatever, and flex content, flex otherwise we'll write display flex, display flex justify content center will write, justify content flex start or yeah end will write. Okay, so till now we see that signature we are focused. So now see how the white color is coming. So now white color is coming, so we need to add some signature inside that. In html you can see here, in signature we have I tag. Just I am focusing that one now. Signature, inside the signature I have I tag. Some add, I will add some color as some block color inside. We can see the white, in white we can add the block, that is well and good. Then font size almost I will give 15 to 16, so 14 is the 14, that is enough. But margin left also will add, margin instead of left, it will, if I add left it will goes inside, so it will not visible. So we'll add the margin right up to minus 35 pixels. Okay, so background color I will add, background color will add some white color, and padding I will add, so it will visible properly. So 4 pixel with 5 to 6 pixel I will add, and border radius also will add 4 5 pixel I will add. So gel next. So now we can add -1. So now see the signature, if you refresh. So now 005 is coming. After that signature slat, that 005 is coming. We are added in HTML. So this 005 will come. Okay. So inside that we have H5 also we can add some margin top and all these things. This thing front side, when we are hovering, okay, for chip we are written, so chip is there. That is a chip, right? Chip per this class I am not written. So we can inspect and we'll manage also. Okay, so we'll try to check that one also, why it's not coming. So for chip also we'll add some height. So for the card is having that chip, right? Card with chip, so same. So we'll add a height 40 pixel. So we have everything, and we have some logo also we have. Font size will give 12 pixel, and font weight I will give 400 pixel, 400, and letter spacing 0.3 pixel I will give mostly. So now the chip and card details it's coming. Hmm, logo image also, image done, that header also done, logo image and all this thing is done. Our container card also done, right? Yeah, we'll see how the UI is. Yeah, so backside perspective is, yeah, I'm changing this color actually. Section color, I have some doubt here. So entire content is why it is not rotating after the section. We can add here styles also, after, before, active or not, we can add it here, and I will check that. Okay, section is having after and before. One minute. This is why. Yeah, this is breaking here. Yeah, this section thing is breaking. I will check this one. So here, transform, translate. Yeah, okay. So this is actually backside perspective. Similarly, we are done only backside, right? So chord is translate rotation. When we are hovering, this is done. We need to add for back front side also. Okay. So this is a signature. We don't have front side section is there, right? So we'll focus this one now. Front side. Yeah. Magnetic strip. Card with backside. Signatures. Card details. Yeah, this is actually our why I'm checking here. So enter our this content. If you rotate, 3D perspective is not coming properly. That is why I'm checking here. The front with the chord is coming. This is also chord. I will add here. Oh, yeah, our container with back, front side. Container inside the container. That is the thing. Front side chord. So this is the look and feel is coming okay. Logo. Okay. Yeah. So we'll try to check that also, Shiva. That is the some one kind of project only. So this is our credit card. Actually, we are making. Uh, so this is whatever this ball icon is there, right? That is then when we are hovering part. This is an entire div actually. The 3D perspective view is not coming. This is C. See. So now see. So our view is actually rotating, but here some that is not supporting or I don't know, but it will work actually. Okay, our content. See, this content is coming as down. So I will check this. This just details is coming down actually. Why it is coming down? Card details is coming down. So just we need to give some top or something. We can manage and some margin top or something. We'll give okay. We'll give some minus. Then inside the minus, yeah. Okay. So that where is that? Mm, card details. Yeah. Okay. So I will give here for instead of that display flex. I will give. So how look and feel now? Just refresh it. Okay. Yeah, just again margin top is coming. Okay, the card height also we need to. Okay, so somewhat looking better only. Some changes we need to do. So real time also this kind of UI also there. So we'll try to implement that one also. Okay, that's it, Shiva. Mm, so we'll try to close.